Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm going to create a basic circuit on LTspice and run operating point analysis to solve the current and voltage for this circuit. LTspice is open source tool. It can be accessed by anyone. LTspice is not a circuit simulator, it is an interface between the designer or circuit designer and the simulator. Simulator does not understand schematic or circuit diagram you are creating, it only understands text file. So this tool, LTspice, takes the diagram or the circuit you are creating and transform it to a text file that can be understood by the simulator. Then the simulator process it and give you the output. Before, designers were describing their circuit as a text file, give this text file to the simulator which process it and give them back the results. But as the circuits get larger, this process become really painful. Now let's get started and open LTspice and implement our circuit. Okay, this is our GUI. Let's add a new schematic. Go to File, then New Schematic. Okay, this is our bottom menu. Here is resistance, capacitor, inductor, and components to add any other component. And here wire to connect the components to each other. And here is ground. And here label net to name the nets. So now let's add our components. Let's first add a resistor here. So to rotate this resistor we need to press Ctrl plus R. Let's add another resistor. And to add voltage source we go to component, then voltage source. Let's type voltage. And here our voltage source, then OK. Now let's connect all these components together. Go to the wire, left click in that and left click to go right. Let's add ground here. Okay, so to set the value of each component, let's go to any of them, then right click, let it 5 volt, 10k, let it 10k too. Okay, let's add some labels to name this net and this one too. Let it in. Okay, put it here. Then escape. Another label. Out. Okay. Now to pick our analysis we need to run. Let's go to edit, spice analysis, then DC operating point to run operating point, then OK, then place it anywhere, then run to run our circuit. Select this running man. Okay, now the circuit is solved. V out is 2.5 and V in is 5 volt and our currents are 250 micro. Okay, I think this tutorial is too short, so let's do another analysis. Let's run AC analysis. So let's release this resistance and add a cap. So go to cut and let's release this operating point to the cap here. Let it be 10 pico and let's Close this circuit. Okay. Advanced. Okay. So we need to run AC analysis. So we need to set a magnitude, AC magnitude, or this AC amplitude 1. And go to edit, spice analysis, select AC analysis, let it be decade, 20 points per decade, start frequency, let it be 100k, and the stop frequency, let it be 10 giga, then okay. Now let's run the circuit. Okay, the analysis is done. A waveform appeared up there. Now it asks if you want to probe any signal. So let's probe output, and here is the output signal. It plot both the magnitude and phase. So this is a simple low pass filter. We have here the magnitude and phase, and that's all for this tutorial. But in next tutorial I'm gonna run another analysis. I'm gonna run transient analysis on maybe inverter. We will go in more advanced topics later. Thanks for watching.